it says Enniskerry. Filming in progress. Expect delays. Hopefully we'll have a glimpse of what's happening. We are approaching town square. Look at that one. Yeah. Okay, it's all decorated. Look at this house. That's a nice house. Yeah. Now we're here. What's happening there now at the moment? Are they filming now, is it?
No,
not yet.
Filming like in the evening by 8.
Oh,
yeah. Are you vlogging? A lot of shooting going on, powerscourt.
Oh, that's a lot of shooting. Yeah, we're interviewing. What's your name?
My name is Samson.
Samson. Yeah, we're
Hi.
talking to Samson here. Yeah, so he's one of the lads here,
Yeah.
controlling the area.
Oh yeah, you can see that.
Yeah. So okay, we'll
Okay.
keep going around and
Just go around. It's like you can just go around like this. You can see a lot of things from
a lot
there.
of things. Yeah.
So it's nice. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Thanks, Samson.
No problem.
Thank you.
Thank
Okay.
you. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye. We're going around here looking everywhere, as you can see. Hey guys, just to show you here that there's a big soft packs there, as you can see. It's humongous, and it needed this truck to put it up. So that's what they use to light up the area here. Right, so that's interesting. Humongous. It's like it's so big. Look at that. So this is the square where there's lots of props, setups that they are using for the film, for the movie. And whenever there's no filming around for the movie, you can have a look and take some videos, photos, and apparently there's so many people like on a daily basis coming here to Enniskerry Square. It's vibrant, lovely, and it's all you know, it's kind of Disney-ish, which is like, yeah, it is not Disney-ish, but it is Disney. Now I'll just show you that there is this pretend post or something like that. So how do I know it's a pretend one? Because I see it's hollow inside, but it's so good, you know, the props, the way they made this, it looks like the real one. So it's really kind of a mastery when it comes to props making. So there goes the giant softbox that they use to light the areas here. It's like a plaza sort of thing. So it says there, please do not touch the flowers. They're actually not flowers like real flowers, they're pretend flowers, they're plastics. So just to show you that this base here is just a spar, as in like a convenience store, as you can see there, but they made this look like something that you'd expect in a Disney movie. So, you know, it's just they made this stuff. They put the frames, they put the flowers, and they added some excess outside. Nice. It's a really kind of you know, as you can see, it's a well-budgeted movie, you know, that kind of way. as you can see, there are lots of spectators here, hoping to have a glimpse of the filming. Right, as you can see from the top, there are two octobox on top there, so they're used for lighting the area. There you have it. You've seen the movie set for the Disenchanted movie
by Amy Adams
and Patrick Dempsey. It's filmed here in Enniskerry, County Wicklow, Ireland. So hopefully you've enjoyed as we roam around the set. Okay guys, that's it for you, and see you next time. Bye bye.